In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to find repeated text in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a simple built-in method that highlights duplicates, so you can quickly spot repeated entries without sorting or using extra add-ons. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the column where you want to check for duplicates. Click the letter at the top of the column to select the entire column at once. For this walkthrough, I'll reference column A as an example, but the same process works for any column. Next, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will open on the right side of your screen where we'll set the rule that finds repeated text. In the sidebar, look for Format Rules. Open the drop-down and select Custom Formula Is. This tells Google Sheets that we're going to provide our own formula to decide which cells get highlighted. In the formula field, enter exactly this. Each countif, A1. Want. Here's what it does. Countif checks how many times the value in the current cell appears in the entire column. A. The dollar signs in A dots lock the range to the whole column, and A1 is a relative reference, so the rule evaluates each row's value in turn. If the count is greater than 1, that means it's repeated, and the cell will be flagged by the rule. If your data is in a different column, just replace A with the correct letter, like C and C1 for column C. Now choose a highlight color under Formatting Style. Pick something that stands out clearly against your sheet, so duplicates are easy to see at a glance. Click Done to apply the rule. You'll immediately see all repeated text in the selected column highlighted based on the color you chose. Every instance of a duplicate will be highlighted, not just the second one, which makes it easy to review and clean up your data. By default, text matching is not case-sensitive, so apple and apple are treated as the same. Keep in mind that extra spaces or subtle differences in spelling will prevent a match. So if something looks off, check for trailing spaces or minor typos. That's it. You've set up a clear, visual way to spot duplicates using conditional formatting and a simple custom formula. All repeated text in the column will now be highlighted. And that's how you find repeated text in Google Sheets on desktop.